Ever throw money at a stock just for the heck of it? I see you. Making an investment based on the hope that it rises in value is totally natural. Speculative investing is something different. It involves a short time horizon and much higher risk. It's about profiting from hype instead of investing for steady growth over time. A buddy told me about this hot new tech company, and I just went for it. I had no idea when to sell, and I rode that roller coaster right down to nothing. I should have been more strategic about my risk taking, but I invested anyways, because experimenting made me feel like I was in on the ground floor. Here I was on the first day, and on the last day, when I realized I learned how to make great craft beer by using reliable sources of information, learning the process, choosing great ingredients, and knowing when it's okay to experiment. Turns out, that's a recipe for success, in brewing and in money. Don't be me. Brewing up a nice little portfolio starts by following the right recipe.